solar flare changed everything. We went underground, learned to use the planet's energy to survive.
The woman told Anna.
And the signal?
Anna wondered about the signal. The woman led her to another figure in the facility. We hoped someone would hear us. We need help. Our systems are failing.
I made this entire sci-fi short film in under 3 minutes. I didn't use a camera, I didn't hire voice actors, I didn't draw a single frame, and I didn't even open Premiere Pro or After Effects. If you are a content creator, a storyteller, or someone running a faceless YouTube channel, you need to stop whatever you are doing and pay very close attention to this video. Because today, I am going to show you exactly how to do this. I'm going to take one simple single-sentence story idea, and I'm going to walk you through turning it into a fully animated cinematic short film, start to finish, in real time. You literally just need an idea, and about 3 minutes. Let's get into it. Now, there are a lot of AI video generators out there, but most of them make you jump through ridiculous hoops. You have to generate a script in ChatGPT, take that to Midjourney to generate images, take those images to Runway or Luma to animate them, and then take all of that into editing software to stitch it together with audio. It is exhausting. Hypernatural AI is different because it does literally all of that in one single place. It is an all-in-one storytelling engine. So, let's jump onto the computer, and I'll show you exactly how this works. Alright, so here we are on the Hypernatural AI dashboard. I will put the link in the description. You just have to create an account. The dashboard is super clean, super simple, and right in the middle of the screen, you have this magic text box. This is where your idea goes. Now, you could paste in an entire script if you already wrote one, or you could upload an audio file from a podcast. But today we are going to use the Smart Script feature. We are going to let the AI do the heavy lifting. I'm going to type in my idea. Just one sentence. Let's go with, a lone astronaut picking up a distress signal from a planet that was declared dead 200 years ago. That's it. That is my entire script. I'm not giving it character names, I'm not giving it camera angles, I'm just giving it a concept. Once the idea is set, we have to select the video style. Here you will find a vast number of styles, including realistic, anime, 3D, fantasy, and others. You can even create your own style. To do that, click here. Now set a name for the style. After that, you have to upload up to 6 reference images. Otherwise, you can create with prompts. However, as I am creating a sci-fi video, I am selecting the sci-fi video from the library. After selecting the style, select the duration of the video. Here you will find 4 options. The first one is the clips that create video less than 60 seconds. After that, the short video for 1 to 3 minute long videos, the classic video to create 3 to 10 minute videos, and lastly, videos longer than 10 minutes. That means you can create an extremely long video. For testing purposes, I am selecting classic or a 3 to 10 minute long video. Next, we have to set the aspect ratio of the video. Select a ratio as per your need. Now simply hit the next button from here to generate the script. You can see that the AI is writing an engaging script for us. Our script is ready. This is really quite a good script. I like it. However, if you don't like the script or want to change any part of the script, you can do it by text command only. At the top, you will find some options. First, the narrator. This is the narrator's voiceover. You will find a bunch of options. You can choose any one from here. Next, you can change the video style or create a new style. After the style, you can change the aspect ratio. Next, we have character. According to the story, AI created 3 characters for us. If you click here, you will find a bunch of pre-made characters. You can change the character and set it as you want. You can even create and set a new character. This is the character creator interface. First of all, we have to enter the name of the character. Once done, select a voice for your character. You will find all the voices, just select the perfect one. Next, we have to enter the character prompt. I am entering a ready prompt. Now, I will upload an image as the face of the character. I am uploading this image. Once everything is set, click here to create the character. And here it is, the character is ready. You will find all the details with a preview image. If you are not satisfied with the character, you can customize it. Once the character is ready, save the character. Now in the same method, modify or select all other characters. Hit the Make Video button from here. Now it will take some time to create the storyboard. So I am fast forwarding the video. And here it is, the video storyboard is ready. You can notice that it creates all the scenes according to the script. Now, you can see the preview by clicking here.
Planet Elysium was declared dead. All life extinguished by a rogue solar flare. Now, drifting through the dead zone, Anna picks up something.
What the?
Honestly speaking, I think the video needs customization. Don't worry, we can make it here. If you want to customize the scene, select the first scene. On the left side, you will find the library of assets. These are all the stock assets you can put in your video. After that, you will find all the assets you generated earlier. You can also upload assets from your device. If you want to generate new assets, come to the Generate tab and click here. Now you can enter prompts and generate the images. However, I think the scene images are perfect, so I won't generate any new images. But there is a catch. Here all the scenes are still images, which doesn't look like a video. We have to turn them into video clips. To do that, I am selecting the first scene and clicking on the Animate with AI. Now here you can see that Hypernatural AI is generating the video prompts. You can customize the prompt and click here to generate videos. And here it is, the video is ready. And here is the result.
200 years ago, Planet Elysium was declared dead.
Now it looks perfect. Now in the same method, you can turn all the images into video clips. However, it will take a longer time. So I will use this full motion feature to turn all the images into video clips with a single click. After coming to this page, select all the scenes and then click here. It will take some time to generate the video clips. So, I will fast forward the video. And here it is, all the video clips are ready. And now, it looks so good. However, to make it more captivating, I will do some more customization. So, I am coming to the Design tab. Here, you will find some features. First, we can customize the caption size and position. Once done, come to the Transition tab. Here you can change the transitions between the scenes. I will select transitions for all the scenes. For this kind of video, random transitions leave a negative impact. So, select transitions carefully. Once the transition is set, you can change the layout. Okay, if you want to change any scene or want to add a new scene, come to the Script tab. You will find all the scenes here with the script text. You can change the script or even add or delete a scene. You can regenerate the narration and character dialogue if you want. Customize your video carefully. Take your time to make a masterpiece. Once you are done, click on the Export button. Now you can share the video or publish it directly on your YouTube or TikTok account. If you want to save the video on your device, then come to the Exports button. Set the resolution and then click here. Once the rendering process is completed, you can save the video to your device. Okay, our video is ready.
200 years ago, Planet Elysium was declared dead. All life extinguished by a rogue solar flare. Now, drifting through the dead zone, Anna picks up something.
What the?
She said, noticing the signal.
Help us.
A voice crackled across the comms.
Elysium? But that's impossible.
Anna whispered, questioning what she was hearing. Despite the official reports, Anna couldn't ignore the distress signal. Driven by curiosity and a sense of duty, she reroutes her ship towards the forbidden planet.
No signs of life, just as they said.
Anna said, noting the planet's appearance. But something doesn't add up. The sensors detect faint energy signatures emanating from deep underground.
That's unusual. A concentration of energy below the surface.
This is really an amazing character-driven storytelling video. The style, characters, and direction are consistent, and the quality is up to the mark. So, now you can create this kind of sci-fi film using Hypernatural AI. It's so simple. If you also want to create high-quality storytelling videos and gain quick success, don't forget to try Hypernatural Video Generator. You can start with a free trial. Yes, you can generate 5 free videos using this amazing AI video generator. However, if you are serious about content creation, you should buy a premium plan. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about Hypernatural AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.